Java developer, only for freshers. Company name, Nexpro 247. Job location, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, NCR. Eligibility, any graduate. Job description, knowledge and hands-on experience with various design patterns. Exposure to latest tools, trends, and technologies. Strong on programming fundamentals, best practices. Role, software development. Industry type, IT services and consulting. Department, engineering, software. Employment type, full-time, permanent. Role category, software development. Key skills, Java programming, Java development, Java coding, J2Ee Technologies, Java Servlets, OPS, Java Web Services, Core Java Development. Company website URL, nexpro247.com, HR email ID, hiring, @nexpro247.com. Please like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel for getting more videos. Please let me know in the comments what job video you want to see next.